How to make money on TikTok by uploading videos. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Making money on TikTok involves a combination of creativity, consistency, and strategic planning. So here are a few steps that help you to guide on how to monetize your TikTok videos. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app on your device and then tap on open button to create account on TikTok. Choose a niche and set up a profile that aligns with your content. Add a clear profile picture, a catchy bio, and links to your other social media platform or website. So you can identify your passion, pick a niche that you are passionate about, whether it's comedy, fashion, fitness, education, or something else, and audit the training topics within your niche and create content around them to stay relevant. You can post regularly, keep your audience engaged. TikTok's algorithm favors active accounts. Respond to comments, engage with other creators, and participate in challenges to grow your following. So, also other steps you can follow is by creating high quality contents, growing your follower base. For that, you can work with other TikTok creators to reach a wider audience. You can join the TikTok creator funds, sponsored contents and brand deals, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Also, you can go to live streams and virtual gifts also if you have 1000 followers or more to go live. So, by staying up to date, you can easily get the chance to make money on TikTok by uploading videos consistently. So making money on TikTok takes time and effort, but by following this step, you can start building a sustainable income stream. Focus on growing your audience, producing high quality content, and leveraging multiple monetization strategies. So I hope this information was helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, then like and subscribe.